Do you know what is blockchain? Do you know how blockchain works? Do you know what are the types of blockchain? Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll explore the exciting world of blockchain technology. From cryptocurrency to decentralized applications, we will dive into the latest developments and innovations in this cutting edge technology. So, before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. What is blockchain? Blockchain is a distributed and decentralized digital ledger technology that is used to record transactions across multiple parties in a secure, transparent, and well established manner. It consists of a chain of blocks where each block contains a collection of data that is cryptographically linked to the previous block. This chain like structure makes the data stored in a blockchain tamper proof and resistant to modification. Blockchain is often associated with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, as it was originally introduced as the underlying technology for Bitcoin. However, blockchain has since found numerous applications beyond cryptocurrencies, including supply chain management, digital identity verification, real estate, voting systems, and more. Why blockchain is important? Information is important for business. It is best if it is received quickly and is accurate. Blockchain is the best technology for delivering that information because it offers real time, shareable, and entirely transparent data that is kept on an unbending ledger and accessible exclusively to members of a permissioned network. Among other things, a blockchain network can track orders, payments, accounts, and production. Additionally, because everyone has access to the same version of the truth, you can see every aspect of a transaction from beginning to end, increasing your confidence and opening up new prospects. Key elements of a blockchain: the use of distributed ledgers. The distributed ledger and its set record of transactions are available to all network users. Transactions are only recorded once with this shared ledger, preventing the duplication of effort present in conventional corporate networks. Unchangeable records. When a transaction has been added to the shared ledger, no participant is permitted to alter or interfere with it. A fresh transaction must be added to undo an error in a transaction record before both transactions are displayed. Sensible contracts. A set of instructions known as a smart contract is saved on the blockchain and automatically carried out to speed up transactions. A smart contract can specify parameters for corporate bond transfers, stipulate how much must be paid for travel insurance, and much more. Workings of blockchain. Each transaction is recorded as a block of data as it happens. These exchanges demonstrate the transfer of a resource, which may be material in the form of a product or immaterial in intellectual form. Who, what, when, where, how much, and even the condition, such as the temperature of a food shipment, can all be recorded in the data block. Every block is interconnected with those that came before and after it. As an asset is moved from one location to another or ownership changes, these blocks create a chain of data. The block link securely together to prevent any blocks from being altered or a block from being introduced between two existing blocks, and the blocks certify the precise timings and order of transactions. A blockchain is an unbroken chain of transactions that is blocked together. Every new block reinforces the prior block's verification and, by extension, the blockchain as a whole. This gives the blockchain its crucial strength and immutability and makes it tamper evident. By doing this, you and other network users may create a trusted ledger of transactions and eliminate the chance of tampering by malefactors. Blockchain network types. A blockchain network can be constructed in a variety of ways. They may be created by a public, private, permissioned, or consortium network. Networked public blockchains. A public blockchain like the one used by Bitcoin is one that anybody may join and use. Potential drawbacks include the need for a lot of computational power, a lack of privacy for transactions, and second-rate security. These are crucial factors to take into account for blockchain use in businesses. Networked private blockchains. A decentralized peer-to-peer network, a private blockchain network is comparable to a public blockchain network. A single organization, however, controls the network's governance, executing a consensus procedure and manageable the shared ledger. Depending on the use case, this can greatly increase participant confidence and trust. Networks on blockchain with permission. A permissioned blockchain network will often be created by businesses who create a private blockchain. It's crucial to remember that public blockchain networks can have permissions as well. As a result, there are limitations on which transactions and who can participate in the network. To participate, participants must get an invitation or authorization. Consortium blockchains. A blockchain's maintenance might be split across several organizations. Who is permitted to submit transactions or access the data is decided by these pre-selected organizations. When everyone involved in a business transaction needs to have permissions and share ownership of the blockchain, a consortium blockchain is the best option. Benefits of blockchain. Operations frequently waste time and resources on double entry and third party validations. Systems for preserving records may be susceptible to fraud and online threats. Data verification may be slowed by a lack of openness, and the number of transactions has multiplied since the introduction of IoT. We need a better solution because all this slows down company and drains the bottom line. And now here comes blockchain. Extra trust. As a participant in a members only network, you may use blockchain to ensure that the information you receive is correct and timely, and that only network participants you have explicitly authorized access to will have access to your private blockchain records. Increased safety. All network participants must agree that the data is accurate, and since all confirmed transactions are permanently stored, they cannot be changed. A transaction cannot be deleted by anyone, not even a system administrator. Greater efficiency. Time consuming record reconciliations are minimized by using a distributed ledger that is shared among network participants. Additionally, a set of instructions known as smart contract can be saved on the blockchain and carried out automatically to speed up transactions. Systems for reducing risk in blockchain networks. 1. Developing an enterprise blockchain application, it's crucial to have a thorough security plan that employs assurance services, best practices, and cybersecurity frameworks to lower the risk of fraud and hazards. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. Please like the video and share it with others. Also, please consider subscribing to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.